Chase Bank, Chase Online, Chase.com login. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can log into Chase Bank from our Chase Online on Chase.com website, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now by the way, you can also use the Chase Bank application that is available on your App Store or your Play Store, or you can use the online banking, which is Chase.com. By just tapping the sign in option from the top right hand side, you will be taken to the login page there. And when you go to the login page, you will be asked to enter your username and your password. So go and enter your username and your password and then tap the sign in option to successfully sign into the account. Now in case you just happen to forget your password, you can also go ahead and then just tap the forgot password option on the sign in screen as well. And if you haven't enrolled yet for online banking, you can also go ahead and then do that by just tapping the enroll option. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically log into Chase.com. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.